Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. Yeah, 1991, he's right, that is original. Would not have expected that.
What does that mean for a buyer?
It means this is way past its expected lifespan, which doesn't mean it's bad. Just because it's old doesn't mean it's defective. But since this is a 1995 house, it's a 26-year-old water heater, you can reasonably expect that it's going to fail much sooner rather than later. And I know this one, when John turned it on, you hear a lot of bubbling and clanking and a lot of noise, which means it's got a pretty hefty sediment built up in the bottom of it. So your capacity is actually reduced on it. Realistically, what does it mean? Plan on replacing this water heater sometime in the probably first couple of years you're in this house. It's lived way beyond when it was supposed to.
For brand new homeowners, is there a service or maintenance schedule that they should have for their water heater?
You should flush that water heater somewhere between once every 6 months and once every year to try and keep that sediment buildup from happening in the tank of the water heater itself.
Okay, and can you explain to me why it's a water heater and not a hot water
Not
heater?
a hot water heater. If you were heating hot water, you would be making steam. Its entire job is to heat cold water and make it hot. Therefore, it is a water heater. You're not putting hot water into it and heating it even further. So, stupid pet peeve of mine, I know. It's a water heater. It's not a hot water heater. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.